Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can make a video call on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, the iPhone already comes with a video call software built in, so you don't need to download any third party. Now, first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on your home screen, you want to swipe across and look for the FaceTime app. So you tap on FaceTime. And in here, tap on New FaceTime. Now you can choose a contact from the suggested section, or you can tap on the add button. And in here, you can choose a contact from your contact list. So select a contact in here. Next, you can tap on the FaceTime button in here. So to make a video call, you want to make sure that you choose FaceTime with the video icon, not the telephone icon. This will allow you to make the FaceTime call. And then you tap on the FaceTime button right here. Now you can continue to add in more contacts if you want to make a group video call simply by tapping on the add button. Now I'm not going to do that now. We're going to have a one-to-one video conversation. So we're going to tap on FaceTime, and now it will start to make the call. And that's it. Just going to tap on the mute button for now. And that's how you can make a video call on your iPhone. It has the FaceTime app that you can straight away start the video call without having to download any other apps. And once you have made a call with that context, it will be keeping in the history list. And after that, all you have to do is simply just tap on the contact. You start making a video call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.